Hi, I'm Kim, and today I'm going to be doing some Christmas stuff. First, I'm going to bake some gingerbread men. So I take 2 cups of flour. Alright, and what do you think of my kitchen's Christmas decorations? Anyway, I also add a cup of brown sugar, a stick of butter, and some ginger. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking soda and some cinnamon. Mix this all together. Now I'm going to use a cookie cutout to make the shapes of gingerbread men on a pan. Trust me, it'll look better once it's baked. I'm going to put it in the oven and wait 15 minutes. In the meantime, I got a gingerbread house making kit. Well, I tried. I'm not an artist. Oh, the gingerbread man. Looks a lot better now, but needs some icing. There we go. I hope the gingerbread house tastes better than it looks, but the gingerbread man will definitely taste good. Now I'm going to put on my Christmas outfit. It needs something. Much better. Now I'm going to show you some of my Christmas decorations. First, I have this cozy blanket and some pillows on my sofa. And then my Christmas tree, obviously. There we go. Some glowy lights. And some glitter on my table. My big wreath back there. That's most of the detailed stuff. If you want to see more of it, you can watch the other video where I decorate. Next down the list, wrapping. I have my Christmas gifts for my friends. First up, I have a skateboard for Sabine. And then a t-shirt for Sandra. A press for my sister Kira. And some comic books for Nick. And then I have Squishmallow for my friend Gio. And a Polaroid for Tessa. And last, a record player for Ronda. Here's all my gifts. Now, where should I hide them? Oh, I know. Perfect. Now I can just get cozy and watch some movies. Need something. Snacks, maybe. Here's my mug. Some hot chocolate. And some eclairs. Cozy on the sofa. Now, there. Don't worry, my friends will come to visit me too. Well, anyway, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you thought. Bye! Let's go see how Sabine decorated her gingerbread house. Hey Sabine. Hey Kim. Can I see your gingerbread house? Sure, it's right there. Wow, mine looks like trash. This is mine. Oh, trash! Yours is much better. This one's mine! Icicle, that one's mine.